Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to activate Microsoft Office 365 apps on a Windows 8 device. So let's say you've installed the Microsoft 365 apps on a Windows 8 device and you want to actually activate that Office. So first of all, let me try to open Word document for the first time on this device. So when you open Word document for the first time, here you can see it says sign in, and my document Word is not, Office is not actually activated. So I can actually just start a blank document. So by starting a blank document, you can see if I go to, let me go to File. So on a File, if I go to Account, you can see that it says, let's just hold on. You can see it says off signing to Office. At this moment, it says update are automatically downloaded and installed. So now what I need to do right now to actually activate Office, because at some time you may begin to receive some message that Office is not activated. So I'll need to actually just click sign in. Here I'll need to enter my email address. And then click next. And here I will need to enter my password. And then click connect. So because I've actually configured a multi-factor authenticator in Office 365, so definitely I will need to actually go to my mobile device and just accept that this device should be able to connect to my Office. Let me just approve that, and then I will need to just enter my fingerprint to actually approve the signature, the authentication, and here we go. Now you can see that Office is actually trying to get activated. Here we go. You can see that Office just gets activated. And right now, that is Kelvin Johnson. And my background actually changed automatically because I've actually configured Office on a different device totally using the same background. So what happens is this. It's actually try to actually sync on my device for all my settings to actually be the same. So I can actually change this to dark gray. Or for example, I can just change this to white. So which means if I log on to a different device using the same name, automatically my account settings also will also change to white. Now you can see that the Office is I've now registered to Kelvin Johnson. I can now go back again and start using Office without any problem. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.